This is what living in a tree nest is like, huh, Mama? It's awful far off the ground. And it's full of sticks and dead fish, too. Those 2 baby chickens haven't even got all of their feathers yet. Forget trying to fly, you little birdies. You don't have enough flap to get off the nest yet.
Those aren't chickens, you silly big bird. Those are bald eagle babies.
Bald eagles. You got that right. They barely have any feathers at all. Those fish over there in the corner of the nest must be flying fish to get up here.
Those fish didn't fly up here to be in this nest. Jackie or Shadow caught them right out of Fag River down there behind us.
With all of these dead fish laying around it, kind of smells like Oscar's trash can. P.U.
The eelets can't fly yet, so they can't get their own food. Jackie or Shadow have to bring them their food each day.
They should just use Grubhub or have Uber Eats to bring them something other than a dead fish sandwich. Mama, we have to be ready to duck out of the way when Jackie or Shadow come back to the nest.
We don't have to worry about Jackie or Shadow trying to grab us. We are over 5 times bigger than them. Our feet are as big as their wings.